Do you know that you can make thousands of dollars every week just to create content creator tracker? You make money in both sides. You make money posting it on YouTube. You make money by selling it as digital products. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create content growth tracker. Okay, I'm going to guide you step by step from scratch till you will finish it. It's not going to take more time, just 10 to 15 minutes. We are done. And I also have already mailed planners, daily planners, all of them. Just go to my description, you will see the link there. Download it. If you want to start selling it, you can go ahead and start selling. Please, let's go. So I can show you. So you come to Google Chrome, you click this Canva, you click, you come to create, okay, then press custom size, come to this place, you type 8.5, okay, here 11, come here, you choose inch, create new design, you click there as well. So it will bring you to this interface where you start your work. This is our workplace where we're going to do all the magic. So these are Canva works, so a lot of them beautiful works, as you can see. If you look up here, you will see ruler. Look at it, rulers. Okay, I do tell people about this. If you want your job to be on a straight line, so you have to use this, and bear it in your mind that nobody will buy something that is not well arranged. So that reason why you will make use of this ruler, so that everything you are going to do here will be on a straight line. Okay, are you following? As you can see. And secondly, if you want to maybe do what we don't like this background, understand, you want to change it to another background, as there are many colors that you can choose that fit what you want to do, depend on what you are going to do. If you click here, it will pop out this color. You click it, it will bring you can change any color of your choice. So now you click this one. This tutorial, we are going to use white. I'll click white. You will come to alignments. Click this one. You bring it up here. That's one. Click text. Click this one. We are going to write content. Okay. Turn the color to white. Okay. Wow. So the next thing I'm going to do, effects, come to glow, so that the color will pop out very well. Then you come to this place to adjust. You adjust it a little bit. Come back to text. Come back to text. So you play, type growth. Stretch it as well. Then minimize it. Okay, purple. Going to use purple. And this one. Good. Come to position. Center it very well. Also this one. This one. We center it very well. Okay. Let's go back to alignment. Come to this place. Should minimize this one. Okay. You bring it here. Okay. Duplicate it. Come here. You turn it upside down. Hope you are following me. Then you bring it here. Nice one. Come to this place. Bring out this. Minimize it a little bit. Bring it here. Come back here. Click this one. You should minimize it a little bit. Then bring it here. Wow, nice one. Raise it up. So as you can see, we are done with content growth tracker. I fixed that. We have fixed camera. Also fixed this one. We have write down dates, platform, and followers. Right away, we are going to duplicate another lines again. So this time around, we are going to turn this one. I want to stretch it. So this one. So bring it up. Duplicate it again. Bring it down like this, duplicate again, just like that. Okay, so this line, let's see. Okay, so if you want to know whether this line still align very well with all this one, just zoom it. Okay, zoom it, you check. So you can see a little bit gap there. You just have to fix it. Good work. Nice one. As you can see how the work is very, very neat. This is how to do it. We are done. Okay? There is not much that remain here. Again. Are you seeing it? So that is how to run it. Just simple as ABC. Okay? So the next thing this place, you can use this one. Reduce it a little bit tiny. Okay, just change the color to purple. You are good to go. Close it a little bit. Put it here. Okay. Ground is the key. Let's bring it down here. Come to alignment again. Type on this purple. Okay. Remove these lines. Okay. So this is how to create content growth tracker. It's very, very simple. So the next thing we are going to do right away is export it in a PDF print way. You need to print it on a digital print so that people that want to print it will print it. I will teach you where you are going to export it and also where you will sell your digital products. So this is how to run it. You come to share. So you come to share, you come to download. As you can see, you come to this place. There's a lot of them here. Please do not choose any other one except this PDF print. It's the one that you will choose to export it. As you click it here, it will bring download. You press download. Okay. Now let's go to where you will sell your products. You come to Gumroad, log into Gumroad, or you sign up to Gumroad. Okay. Look at the place. See the place you will sell your products. Understand? Come to this place. As you can see, this is home. Dashboard, products, collaborators, checkout, emails, workflow, sales, analytics, affiliates, payouts. Okay, so this is place you will sell your product. So that is how it works. A lot of people are cashing out in this platform. Okay, just to go there, create your design, post it and start making your money. You can make thousands of dollars every week. You can make thousands of dollars every month. Understand? So this, I'm just using this. This one is to give you an example of where you can sell your products. Okay. So for security reasons, I don't want to show my balance. Okay. So this where you can sell your product, or you go to Etisell. Understand? It's another platform to sell your products. There are many. Okay, but I love working with Gumroad, and that's Etisell. So please, and if you need already made products, just go to my description link. You will see the link below there. Download the products. A lot of products are there. Download it and start selling. Start making use of it. You're a content creator. You need to guide your daily. Make your plan, when to shoot, when to post, when to edit, when to do everything to just make you to succeed as a content creator. Please, if you love this video, subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you. I love you.